Welcome everybody, it is Andrew here from AppleInsider. I am on the ground at CES 2025. It is the world's largest tech event and one of the in-person events that I look forward to most every year. If you've been following the channel already, you've seen so many of the cool products and innovations that are being announced. Now I am here with one of our sponsors for this year that I am very excited for. We're going to be visiting Bluetti, one of the leading brands in portable power stations. They're highlighting more than 15 innovations this year, from new portable power stations to home backup batteries, all designed for all your power needs, from camping to emergency backup situations and off-grid living. Plus, they just snagged a coveted 2025 CES Innovation Award. So let's head over and see what makes them stand apart from the competition. Okay, I am here in the Bluetti booth. I am talking to Ilya, the marketing manager for Bluetti.
That's right.
Awesome. So let's go ahead. Let's start off. Tell us about the Apex 300 as well as everything else that you guys are showing off here at CES.
All right, so in 2025, we present 3 new product series. We're talking about Apex, EnergyPro, and Elite. So this is the first product from Apex series called Apex 300. And this is the unit to which you can connect 6 batteries maximum, and the main unit itself already has the battery here, which is 2,764.8 watt hours. So the total capacity of one unit with 6 batteries is more than 19 kilowatt hours. Plus, what is really special about this unit is that it's both 120 volts and 240 volts. Finally.
Oh, so you can run like your everyday appliances as well as like bigger appliances at the same time.
Yes, correct. Now, the other cool thing about this unit is that it has a bi-directional EV charging port, meaning you can charge your EV from this thing, but also you can charge this power station from your EV if you need to. Another cool thing about it is that we finally integrated the 90-degree cables. So no more cables like this that waste your space, just 90-degree cables. Okay, so this is the other cool thing. And because the main unit now has battery inside, so if you ever want to go outdoors, you have off-grid project, you can just take the main unit. You don't necessarily, it's heavy, but you can still lift it, just to show it to you, right? And you can just take the main unit with you without necessarily bringing all the batteries.
That's very handy. So what you got, all these are all AC outlets here,
That's
there
right,
on the front?
AC outlets. Yeah, we also have a box which you connect with DC outlets.
Okay, that's super handy.
That's right. And this is both for indoor and outdoor use, but we have one which is exclusively for outdoor use, EnergyPro.
Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at that. Okay, we have made the long walk from right there to right here to talk about the EnergyPro 6K. What's this? How is this different from what we just looked at?
So we look at Apex 300, which is both for indoor and outdoor use, meaning you can take it out with you on your off-grid adventures. This one is more introverted, so it just sits in the house all day. All right, so this one you can take with you. Looks just like a box, but it actually has the battery capacity of 7,680 watt hours. And it's a lot for this size, but still not enough for the whole house. So you can connect 5 of them together for an overall capacity of 38.4 kilowatt hours.
So that's going to easily be enough for like a small to medium house in terms of like whole house backups.
Exactly,
right?
That's exactly right. We are targeting mid-size houses with this product.
It feels more of an average consumer product versus like something high end. This seems like a mass market. People like me who live in the Midwest and have tornadoes go down the road and then rip out our power for 3 days. Seems like something like this.
Exactly. If you don't want to invest in something big, maybe there is no need for you can get something like this, and you can always expand it. Now you get one, you can scale it one more, up to 5 in total. And we are making them future-proof. That is, we can expand them with more and more products down the road.
So you basically take this, you put it in your house, and then you connect it to like your circuit breaker, and you're good to go?
You need a smart distribution box for that. Bluetti also provides that, and with that smart distribution box, you're good to go.
Perfect. Seems pretty. So is there any like delay? Say my power goes out. Is there a delay as it switches over to this, or it's right away?
No, you won't even see the lights flickering. It's that fast.
That's So I have my parents have a generator, like old school generator, and when their power goes out,
Yeah.
it flickers for a second. But what's really funny,
Yeah.
he has all the smart bulbs. So when the smart bulbs lose power and when power comes back on, all the bulbs in the house turn back on to full brightness.
Okay.
So like they were off, the power goes out, and then they all reset and turn
Okay.
back on. So it's
Wow.
really funny. It'll wake them up in the middle of the night. That's a really cool feature. So these guys, you guys are showing them off at the show. Is this like concept things, or are these actual products that are going to be shipping soon? What's the plan?
Yeah, so we launched them in May 2025, and you can learn more on BluettiPower.com.
Awesome. Cool. I see something over there I want to go look at. You want to
Sure,
go
let's
check
go.
that out?
Yep, absolutely.
Cool. Okay, so these caught my eye a little bit. I love like backpack. I have so many backpacks and everything like that. My wife and I love to travel and go hiking and all stuff. Like climbed a volcano in Iceland. So I saw these over here, and I'm guessing they're more than just like your typical backpacks.
Yeah, that's
What are these? What's going on?
All right, so we have in two sizes. Now this one has the battery capacity of 268 watt hours. Now we have our screen right here. We have
Oh, that was
DC
cool.
and AC. We have 2 USB-A ports and 2 USB-C ports. And on this side, we even have a wall outlet.
Oh, that's really handy.
Yeah.
Also, for the record, they're 100 watt USB ports. Like they didn't like cheap out and go like 45 or 60. Those are full
Correct.
100 watt, like enough to charge a MacBook Pro at almost full speed.
That's right.
Which is very handy.
Yes.
Okay, can I try this one on?
Sure, go ahead.
I want to try the heavier one on.
The heavier
this
one
is
is
actually not as bad as I thought it would be.
And it's heavier.
Yeah, you can see all the tech in there. Okay, let's do it. These are really soft.
Yeah. And when you actually clip them, it will feel better.
I don't want to clip it with my microphone on. But even like this, and I mean, I've been trekking around CES all week with camera gear, laptops, batteries, everything in there, and this is not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not light. I can see, you go for miles on end, it might get pretty heavy, but
Sure.
I'm sure with the chest strap and the waist strap, this is like,
That's right.
yeah, it feels nice and secure. It feels very firm. This is really cool. Okay, so what was the capacity on this larger one?
Yeah,
compared to
so
that
this one is 512 watt hours of battery capacity. Again, we have a wall outlet here and USB ports on that side. And we have a nice app and the screen where you can monitor what is going on. And again, you can even hang the solar panel right here. It
Oh
clips.
yeah, because you can do solar input.
Yeah,
'Cause
that's
I
right.
saw there is like a wired input you could do over here, but I guess if you're out in the woods or something, the wired
Yeah.
input may not help you.
It clips right here.
Okay, clip this on top.
Yeah. Yeah, like this. Like that.
Perfect. So you just sit down for a break, roll out your solar panel, and top off your battery pack.
Correct. So for me personally, I think solar panel is really gives you this peace of mind because no matter how much battery you have here, well, at one point you will draw it down to zero, and when you have a solar panel with you, you know that you always have a way to recharge it.
This is just what I should carry around CES. We got enough lights in here. I'll just carry this around, perpetually charge the camera, the laptop, everything, just as I go.
Well, to be accurate, at one charge from artificial lights, yeah,
Drats.
yeah, it needs sunlight.
Luckily, there's a
that-
booth filled with battery packs that I can charge everything on.
Yeah, that's right, Bluetti booth.
That is very cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go look at more things. Away! Okay, we have looked at some massive batteries. We've looked at some portable batteries that you can carry around on your back. What do we have here? Something a little more, even like consumer friendly, kind of like a starter solution situation.
So you're seeing two batteries, right? And they look like the same battery, right? So basically, this one and this one are almost the same size, yeah? However, this one has the battery capacity of 1,152 watt hours, while this one is 2,073 watt hours. So what changed? So in this one, we use cylindrical batteries, so we have spaces in between. And for this one, we use prismatic batteries. So we have no spaces, and we were able to put more batteries in a smaller box.
Oh,
Right.
that's curious.
And also the output is higher. So here it's 1,800 watts for the AC, and for this one it's 2,600 watts.
Dang, that's
Yeah.
that's a
A huge jump.
That's a huge
It's a
jump
huge
just
jump.
by changing
Right.
the shape of the batteries.
You change the shape of the batteries, also improving the inverter capability. If you need to bring high output and large capacity power station with you, a LED 200 should be your go-to power station.
Nice. What's the name of this one again?
It's a LED 200 V2. And the cool thing about it is that it's already available on our website.
This is out now?
Yeah, this one is out now at $1,099 on BluettiPower.com.
I love to see those trends of seeing stuff at CES and knowing that you can buy it basically right away and not waiting months or years for it to arrive.
That's right. And the one cool thing I forgot to tell you about it is that it has 6,000 cycles, meaning you can charge it and recharge it 6,000 times. That's a huge jump from 3,400 times that we had before.
Yeah. Oh, that's again almost double the lifespan of the product.
Correct.
Okay, I think that's it. I think we basically walked through all of the new stuff here at the Bluetti booth. Ilya, thank you so much for walking me through everything. I have been coming to the Bluetti booth for years, not just when they were doing a sponsored video like this. So I was genuinely very excited to see what they had on display this year. We cover a lot of the power stuff on AppleInsider, so I really love it. If you guys want to learn more about anything that they were showing off here at CES, pick up any of these new power stations, you can learn more at BluettiPower.com. Anything else you want to leave us with?
Yeah, I would also encourage you guys to join our community. We are on Facebook, Bluetti Global, and if you have any questions, just let us know on our social media. We are always happy to welcome new people to our community and bring power in every household.
Awesome. Thank you again.
Thank you.